Imagine being able to buy and sell Dogecoin on one of the most popular trading platforms. We're talking about Coinbase, where all other major cryptocurrencies are listed. This is major news for Dogecoin holders and prospective investors looking to diversify their portfolios in crypto assets. Let's not forget that most people who invest in cryptocurrencies are young and savvy about digital technologies. However, there's a whole host of people who are not knowledgeable about cryptocurrencies and don't know how to invest in crypto markets. This is not only a pretty significant development in crypto markets, it marks a new dawn for Dogecoin as it can be more readily traded on other platforms. For Dogecoin holders, it means another major CEO, and I'm not talking about Mark Cuban and Elon Musk, sees Dogecoin as a valuable cryptocurrency that can be listed on a major exchange. Before we go on, make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on this channel as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and other cryptocurrencies. Don't forget that you can also now join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. Check the join button next to the subscribe button, and don't forget to join our free Discord group via the link in the description. Dogecoin has been trading since 2013, and its price has risen steadily to 51 cents after a series of events including Doge Day, SNL, and tweets from Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The currency has risen by more than 10,000% since the beginning of 2021 alone. This is despite continued claims that the cryptocurrency that was started as a joke was unlikely to be taken seriously by investors. Well, some people disagree. Elon Musk has repeatedly tweeted about the currency, stating that the currency is going to the moon while naming himself the Doge Father. Meanwhile, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, Mark Cuban, has equally begun accepting the currency as a mode of payment for merchandise on the Mav store. Meanwhile, the broader crypto market is going through what can be described as a major setback. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investors are reeling from a pretty tough week that's left them financially scarred, with over $300 billion wiped off the broader crypto market. This means some people's assets have fallen and portfolios have equally experienced a major setback. This is probably led by Elon Musk's decision to exclude Bitcoin from Tesla payments. The Bitcoin price moved sharply lower, which dragged down its total value and caused the broader market cap to drop. The $2.2 trillion market was severely hit after Elon Musk announced that his company was halting accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment. When there are noticeable changes in the price of Bitcoin, it has a broader impact on the overall cryptocurrency market, as the cryptocurrency has the largest market capitalization and is by far the most influential in the market. If you check out the Gemini crypto exchange report titled State of US Crypto, it shows that today's ordinary crypto investor is a 38-year-old man earning about $111,000 per year. The report equally found that over 53% of investors in crypto assets were women who were interested in the currency and were planning to invest significantly in the asset. However, this chart from WeForum shows that women are incredibly underinvested in Bitcoin. And while the currency might be expensive, a listing of Doge will make investing more affordable for women across the world. For people who are unsure about cryptocurrencies but hope to trade in digital assets such as Doge, they'll be able to invest in Doge more readily via Coinbase. This week, Coinbase had an investor call where its CEO, Brian Armstrong, hinted that the company would be investing in Doge. Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency trading platforms globally, doesn't let you trade Dogecoin just yet. After an announcement by Elon Musk citing environmental concerns as the reason why Tesla is no longer accepting Bitcoin surfaced, the price of Dogecoin swiftly rose. This was equally driven by the fact that the Tesla boss is working with Doge devs to increase the efficiency of payments. The carbon copy of Bitcoin with a meme-based Shiba Inu on its face is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, estimated at $70 billion. However, Dogecoin investors are still looking for alternative platforms to invest in the currency. The Coinbase CEO said, "We plan to list Dogecoin in the next 6 to 8 weeks. The recently listed company is looking to accelerate the adoption of digital assets, and he envisions that Coinbase will become an app store for cryptocurrencies." He said, "Asset addition is something that's near and dear to my heart. Coinbase is going to be focused on how we can accelerate asset addition in the future. There are more and more assets being created in the crypto economy. I think it's going to be something kind of like apps in the App Store or on the iPhone, where there's eventually millions of these assets created over time. And so we're putting a lot of work and thought into how do we accelerate our pace of asset addition. And one of those is Doge, as you mentioned, which has been getting a lot of attention recently. This is major news for Dogecoin, which is currently traded on Binance and Bitfinex, but boast pretty sizable fees. The cost of verifying cryptocurrencies is the usual justification for the price. But the decision to list Doge will be good for consumers. Well, how, some might ask? There are millions of people in the Doge community who have not invested in the cryptocurrency, and they'll be able to get an accessible platform where they can buy, hold, or sell the currency. This is a major boost for demand, as the accessibility of a currency equally determines how many people invest in it. So what does this mean for the rallies? We showed in our previous videos that Dogecoin could hit $1, $3, and $5. This can happen if Elon Musk works with developers and improves the energy efficiency of transactions and payments. Once Tesla adopts this currency, its price is bound to soar, and the number of people interested, aware, or investing in Doge will rise with it. So demand for Doge will increase due to a widely known and accessible platform available to investors worldwide. Secondly, Doge's acceptance on a major exchange suggests that its validity as a credible store of value and investment vehicle will rise. Most people that have seen Doge millionaires are perhaps still wary of when to buy the cryptocurrency. However, Coinbase will offer a comparably cheaper alternative. It'll be competing on cryptocurrency fees with other cryptocurrencies. Before we go further, this decision to include Dogecoin didn't come out of the blue. The crypto market is bigger than just Bitcoin, and Coinbase will ultimately strive to support every legitimate cryptocurrency in the market, Coinbase's CEO said. In Q1 alone, we added support for 18 new assets, bringing the number of unique assets supported on our platform to 108. For comparison, this is up from over 40 assets at the end of 2019 and 90 assets at the end of 2020. Armstrong stopped short of making any promises. Dogecoin was never mentioned directly on this call, and the way he clarified that Coinbase would focus on every legitimate cryptocurrency made it sound like the jocular Dogecoin asset could be left untouched. And then he said this: "We plan to list Doge in the next 6 to 8 weeks, and then more broadly, we're going to be focused on how we can accelerate asset addition in the future." There you have it. The CEO of Coinbase thinks Doge will be listed by next month, and this will begin a new era of crypto trading across the world. What does this mean for the price of Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin rallied after Armstrong promised to list Dogecoin on Coinbase. The cryptocurrency soared by 16%. It'll take time before we get to know how serious of a cryptocurrency Dogecoin actually is. But it's clear that major industry names like Elon Musk, Mark Cuban, and Brian Armstrong are all lining up behind the currency. This is good news for Doge, as it signals greater adoption over the long run. Having gained more than 14,000% in 2021 alone, Dogecoin will gradually rise towards its key $1 mark. Beyond its listing on Coinbase, it's really a question of acceptance, and businesses across Canada, the US, and Europe are beginning to accept Doge for cryptocurrency payments. Dogecoin is emerging as a reliable store of value and an asset worth investing in. The decision by Brian Armstrong to list the currency on Coinbase is a major step that will have positive spillovers in the investment and finance industry. Stay tuned, as we might be seeing some rallies in the coming days. For now, thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. You can also join the channel as a paid subscriber now for some exclusive benefits, and don't forget, you can also join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson.